All right, guys, we're back with a quick video. This one is about the new camera control button on the side for the iPhone 16 Pro and the Pro Max. It's only on the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max, this new button, you know, all the hype this year. All right, so how do we make this button not just for the camera? As you can see right here, when you push it down twice, it turns into a camera. I can take a picture, blah, blah, blah. No, I want to make it into for Instagram because I use Instagram all the time. And then so when I click it, I want it to become Instagram. How do we do this? All right, so we go to settings and then we go to, we go to camera right here. Camera, go ahead and click that. Once we get into the camera menu, we're gonna scroll down and, oh no, I'm sorry. We're gonna go to camera control. Then we're gonna scroll down and then we're gonna see Instagram right there. Go ahead and click that. So then from now on, when you're clicking this button, it's gonna go straight to Instagram. All right, guys, hope that helps. Try it at home. Bye-bye.